Hi, I'm Ken Romali with Agile Sigma Academy. I'm happy to share this video on Lean Six Sigma principles as part of my effort to help people think like a black belt. The video is from one of my e-learning courses available online. If you like it, consider taking the full course and earning a certification of your own in Lean or Six Sigma. A special discount code is available just for you in the comments section below and at the end of the video. But enough about me. Let's talk about business process improvement. Okay, here we go for the Measure Tollgate, your first as a real team member. Remember to pull out your Tollgate checklist so you know what to expect. In the Measure Tollgate, the team will present their detailed process map, their data collection plan, including critical measures, and will show their baseline data. Note that the data won't have been analyzed yet. That happens in the next phase. Some companies hold the Measure and Analyze Tollgates at the same time so that the team can talk about both what was collected and what they've learned from the data. Let's listen in as Greenbelt Mike kicks us off.
Hi team, welcome back for our Measure Tollgate. We've gathered a lot of data on the video process and can't wait to share it with you. Since our last meeting, Laura DeCarlucci has become a full-time team member after Simon had to step back a bit. Let me turn it over to Laura and Manoj to tell you everything we covered in Measure.
Thanks for that overview, Laura. Just one question. Why did you measure all these things? I think we all know that complaint volume is the #1 concern for this process.
Okay, white belt candidate. Based on what you know about how we selected these measures, how do you think Laura should answer this question? Pause the video and reflect on this, and then resume to see what Laura says.
Great question, Patty. Complaint volume has been going up, and of course that is an important measure. We would call that an output measure, since it reflects the quality of our finished product. We also have other output measures like total time to complete an order. But in order to find the root cause and address this problem, we also need to measure inputs like customer order completeness, called input measures, and process measures like number of times the video team performed an in-process quality check. By understanding all these types of measures, we will be able to see how the inputs and the process affect the outputs.
Wow, that sounds great. Were there any other pieces of data that you wanted but couldn't get?
No, Kim did a great job of helping us get our requests fulfilled, and we got everything we were looking for.
If there are no further questions, can I assume that everyone is okay with where we are and good to move on to analyze this data?
Absolutely. Great work, team. I can't wait to see what we learn in the next phase.
And congratulations to you, white belt candidate. You just got through the measure phase. In the next section, we will learn some good tools to help us interpret this data and understand what's really going on in video production.